Planosphere PPM Online Training. Introduction to Planosphere PPM, Overview and Key Features. Planosphere PPM, Project Portfolio Management, is a comprehensive platform designed to help organizations manage their project portfolios, streamline project execution, and align projects with strategic objectives. It offers a suite of tools for planning, resource management, financial management, risk analysis, and performance monitoring, providing organizations with insights needed to make informed decisions and achieve project success. Key features of Planosphere PPM. Project Portfolio Management. Planosphere provides a centralized platform for managing multiple projects across various portfolios. It enables organizations to prioritize and align projects with business strategies, ensuring that resources are optimized and risks are minimized. Project Planning and Scheduling. The platform includes robust planning and scheduling tools, allowing teams to set timelines, allocate resources, and define milestones for effective project tracking. Resource Management. With Planosphere, organizations can efficiently manage their resources, example human, financial, and material resources. It offers real-time visibility into resource allocation and utilization to ensure optimal resource distribution across projects. Financial Management. Planosphere integrates project budgeting, forecasting, and financial tracking, enabling users to monitor project costs, manage budgets, and predict financial outcomes. This helps ensure projects remain within financial parameters. Risk and Issue Management. The platform offers tools for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks throughout the project life cycle. It also tracks issues and provides mechanisms for resolution, helping ensure project success and compliance. Collaboration and Communication. Planosphere fosters collaboration among stakeholders by providing shared workspaces, communication tools, and notifications. This promotes cross-functional teamwork and ensures alignment throughout the project life cycle. Reporting and Analytics. The platform includes powerful reporting and analytics capabilities that allow users to generate detailed reports on project performance, resource utilization, financial health, and other key metrics. Custom dashboards help in monitoring real-time project data. Agile and Waterfall Support. Planosphere supports both agile and traditional waterfall project management methodologies. This flexibility allows organizations to adopt the methodology that best fits their project needs. Integration capabilities. Planosphere integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems, example ERP, CRM, to enhance data flow across organizational departments. This ensures consistency and accuracy across project information. Portfolio Optimization. The platform enables businesses to optimize their portfolios by assessing the performance of individual projects against strategic goals, helping decision-makers allocate resources effectively and minimize risks. Setting up projects in Planosphere PPM, Step-by-Step Guide. Setting up projects in Planosphere PPM, Project Portfolio Management, involves a series of steps to ensure that the project is properly configured and aligned with your organizational needs. Below is a step-by-step guide for setting up projects in Planosphere. 1. Log into Planosphere PPM. Access your Planisware PPM environment using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create or manage projects. 2. Create a new project. Navigate to the Project section. In the Planisware PPM interface, locate the Projects section, which is often found in the main navigation bar or within the menu. Select New Project. Click on the New or Create Project button to initiate a new project. 3. Enter basic project information. Project name. Assign a name that clearly identifies the project. Project code. This is usually a unique identifier for the project, often used for reporting and tracking purposes. Start date and end date. Define the planned start and end dates for the project. Project type. Choose the project category, example IT, R&D, operational, based on your organization's classification. 4. Set up project hierarchy. Parent project. If applicable, if the project is part of a larger program or portfolio, select a parent project or portfolio. Subprojects. If applicable, add any subprojects if the project is broken down into smaller work streams. 5. Define project phases and milestones. Phases. Planisware typically allows for phase-based project tracking, example planning, execution, closure. Define these phases and their durations. Milestones. Create key milestones within the project to track major deliverables or events. 6. Assign resources. Resource allocation. Assign internal resources, example employees, and external resources, example contractors, to the project. Resource roles. Define roles for the resources such as project manager, developer, designer, etc. Resource availability. Specify the availability of resources based on their schedule. 7. Define budget and costs. Estimated budget. Enter the project's estimated budget and cost breakdown, example labor, materials, overhead. Cost categories. Break down costs by categories such as labor, equipment, travel, etc. Cost forecasting. Set up forecasting to compare actual costs against the budget over time. 8. Set up project risks and issues. Risk register. Identify potential risks to the project, example resource shortages, external dependencies. Issue management. Track any issues that arise during project execution and ensure there are mitigation plans. 9. Establish reporting parameters. Status reports. Define how and when status reports will be generated for stakeholders. Dashboards and KPIs. Set up dashboards and key performance indicators, KPIs, for monitoring the project's progress. 10. Set up project approval workflow. Approval process. If the project requires approval at certain stages, define the approval workflow, including the required approvers and steps. Notifications. Set up notifications for approval requests or updates to ensure that all stakeholders are informed. Managing resource allocation in Planisware PPM. Best practices. Managing resource allocation in Planisware PPM, project portfolio management, involves balancing project demands with available resources effectively to optimize performance and ensure timely project delivery. Below are some best practices for managing resource allocation in Planisware PPM. 1. Understand resource availability and skills. Create an accurate resource pool. Maintain an up-to-date and detailed resource pool in Planosphere PPM, including resource skills, availability, and capacity. This ensures that only qualified resources are assigned to appropriate tasks. Monitor resource load. Planosphere PPM provides tools to track individual and team workloads. Regularly monitor resource utilization to avoid over or underallocation. Skill-based allocation. Ensure the right skills are assigned to the right tasks by mapping skills to resource profiles in Planosphere PPM. 2. Use resource calendars. Set up resource calendars. Customize resource calendars to reflect working hours, holidays, and non-working days. This ensures accurate availability calculations for each resource. Consider resource schedules. Account for resource-specific schedules, such as part-time availability or vacations, to prevent overloading during these periods. 3. Leverage resource pools and roles. Create resource pools. Group resources based on their roles, skills, or expertise into resource pools. This helps in streamlining resource assignment and provides a clearer overview of available resources. Define resource roles. Assign roles within your team and allocate resources based on these roles to ensure consistency and proper resource distribution across projects. 4. Resource allocation rules and constraints. Set allocation rules. Planosphere PPM allows you to set allocation rules such as maximum workload limits, skill requirements, or priority rules. Use these rules to automate some of the allocation process, ensuring resources are distributed based on project priorities. Manage resource conflicts. Planosphere provides tools to identify resource allocation conflicts. Example, a resource assigned to multiple tasks simultaneously. Address these conflicts early by reassigning tasks or adjusting priorities. 5. Project-level resource management. Align projects with resource availability. When planning projects, ensure that the resource allocation is feasible based on current workloads. Planosphere PPM allows project managers to visualize resource usage across multiple projects. Adjust resource allocation as projects evolve. Resource requirements may change as projects progress. Regularly review resource allocation in Planosphere PPM and make adjustments based on evolving project needs. 6. Monitor resource utilization and adjust. Track resource utilization. Use Planosphere's resource utilization reports and dashboards to track how resources are performing and whether any are being under or overutilized. Adjust allocations as needed. If some resources are consistently over or underutilized, reallocate them across projects to maintain an optimal workload balance. 7. Scenario planning and resource forecasting. Use scenario modeling. Planosphere PPM allows for scenario planning, which lets you simulate different resource allocation scenarios before committing to a plan. This is useful for identifying potential risks, such as resource shortages. Tracking project performance in Planosphere PPM, key metrics and tools. Tracking project performance in Planosphere PPM, project portfolio management, involves monitoring key metrics to ensure that projects are progressing as planned. By using the right tools and techniques within Planosphere, You can assess whether a project is on track or if corrective actions are necessary. Here are the key metrics and tools for tracking project performance in Planisphere. Key metrics for project performance. Schedule performance. Plan versus actual completion tracks whether the project is progressing as planned by comparing the baseline schedule with actual completion dates. Earned value. EV measures the value of work actually performed compared to the planned work. It helps assess schedule performance. Schedule variance. SV, the difference between the planned progress and actual progress. A negative value indicates delays. Cost performance. Cost variance. CV, the difference between the budgeted cost of work performed, earned value, and the actual cost incurred. A negative CV indicates cost overruns. Cost performance index. CPI, a ratio of earned value to actual cost. A CPI below 1.0 indicates inefficiency. Budget at completion. Back the total planned budget for the project. Tracking this helps ensure the project stays within financial limits. Scope performance. Scope changes measures how the scope of the project has evolved. It helps identify if there are any unapproved scope changes that could impact performance. Work breakdown structure, WBS, compliance, ensures that all deliverables are tracked according to the WBS. Risk management. Risk impact measures the severity of identified risks on the project's progress. Risk probability assesses the likelihood of a risk affecting the project. Risk mitigation actions tracks the effectiveness of actions taken to mitigate or avoid risks. Quality performance. Quality metrics includes tracking key quality indicators such as defect rates, customer satisfaction, and adherence to quality standards. Issues and defects. Monitoring the number of open issues or defects reported during the project can provide insight into quality performance. Resource utilization. Resource load tracks the allocation of resources to ensure that no resource is overallocated or underallocated. Resource utilization rate measures how effectively resources are being used relative to their capacity. Stakeholder satisfaction. Stakeholder feedback gathers qualitative feedback from stakeholders to evaluate whether the project is meeting their expectations. Project deliverables ensures that the project is delivering what was promised to stakeholders on time and within scope. Tools in Planisphere PPM for tracking project performance. Dashboards. Customizable dashboards in Planisphere provide a comprehensive view of key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time, helping project managers assess overall project health. Planisphere PPM workflow automation, streamlining processes. Planisphere PPM Project Portfolio Management provides workflow automation capabilities to help streamline project and portfolio management processes. This feature can significantly reduce manual effort, enhance consistency, and improve overall efficiency across project life cycles. Below are key elements of how workflow automation can be applied within Planisphere. 1. Project Life Cycle Automation. Stage transitions automate the movement of projects through different life cycle stages: initiation, planning, execution, closure. This ensures that once tasks are completed in one phase, the project seamlessly transitions to the next phase. Milestone tracking. Set automated notifications and triggers for when milestones are reached or when deadlines approach. 2. Task management. Task assignments. Automatically assign tasks to the appropriate team members based on predefined rules, ensuring no steps are missed. Tasks can also be dynamically reassigned if delays or changes occur. Dependencies management. Automate task dependencies to prevent bottlenecks and delays by adjusting schedules based on task completion. 3. Resource allocation and optimization. Resource scheduling. Automate resource allocation to ensure that team members or equipment are assigned to the right tasks at the right time, avoiding overallocation or conflicts. Capacity management. Use workflows to monitor resource capacity and trigger alerts when resources are stretched beyond their capacity. 4. Approval processes. Automated approvals. Set up approval workflows for project budgets, resource allocations, or changes to project plans. Approvals can be routed automatically to the appropriate stakeholders. Escalation handling. Automate escalation procedures when approvals are delayed or missing to ensure smooth decision-making processes. 5. Risk and issue management. Risk identification. Automate risk detection workflows based on project parameters, example, delays, cost overruns, to alert project managers. Issue resolution. Track and automate the resolution process for issues that arise during project execution, ensuring timely mitigation and action. 6. Change management. Change requests. Streamline the submission and approval of change requests by automating routing to the appropriate individuals or teams for review and approval. Change impact analysis. Automatically assess the impact of changes on project timelines, budgets, and resources, and notify relevant stakeholders. 7. Reporting and dashboards. Automated reports. Automatically generate project status reports, budget tracking, and performance dashboards. These reports can be scheduled and sent to stakeholders without manual intervention. Real-time monitoring. Use automated data collection and reporting to keep stakeholders updated on project progress in real time. Budgeting and financial management in Planisware PPM. Techniques and tools. Budgeting and financial management in Planisware PPM, project portfolio management, involve using a combination of techniques and tools that ensure efficient allocation, tracking, and analysis of financial resources across projects. Here's an overview of key techniques and tools that can help organizations optimize financial management within Planisware PPM. 1. Project budgeting. Top-down and bottom-up budgeting. Planisware allows for both top-down, from a portfolio perspective, and bottom-up, individual project-level, budgeting. Top-down budgeting provides high-level financial targets, while bottom-up budgeting involves estimating costs based on project activities and deliverables. Work breakdown structure. WBS budgeting can be linked to the project's WBS to ensure that financial plans reflect the project scope, with detailed cost estimates for each task or work package. Resource costing. Planisware allows you to assign specific costs to resources, example, labor, materials, etc., at the individual task level, making it easier to estimate and track financial performance. to financial tracking and monitoring. Earned Value Management, EVM Planisware provides tools to track earned value, EV, planned value, PV, and actual cost, AC, allowing for performance analysis and forecasting. This helps in determining whether projects are within budget and on track. Cost variance, CV, and schedule variance, SV financial tracking tools in Planisware include variance analysis to identify discrepancies between the budgeted and actual financial outcomes. Forecasting, Planisware uses historical data, current performance, and future projections to help forecast project financials. This includes predicting future costs based on actual progress and potential scope changes. 3. Resource Management. Resource leveling, tools within Planisware help allocate resources effectively across projects, preventing over or underallocation, which can impact costs. The system adjusts the project schedule based on resource availability to optimize financial management. Resource Cost Allocation, allocate costs based on the utilization of resources, helping track the actual cost of work done versus what was initially budgeted. 4. Portfolio-level financial management. Portfolio budgeting, Planisware provides visibility across the entire portfolio, allowing for consolidated financial reporting at a portfolio level. This includes monitoring and managing budgets for multiple projects simultaneously. Portfolio optimization, financial optimization tools in Planisware allow managers to prioritize projects based on financial criteria, such as return on investment, ROI, and net present value, NPV. This ensures that investments are aligned with strategic business goals. 5. Financial reports and dashboards. Customizable dashboards. Planisware provides customizable dashboards that display real-time financial data, such as project costs, resource allocations, and variance analysis, in an easy-to-understand visual format. Financial reporting, built-in financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, cost breakdowns, and budget variance reports, help project managers and executives make data-driven decisions. Scenario analysis. The tool enables what-if analysis to simulate different financial scenarios based on potential changes in project scope, timelines, or resources. This helps to assess the impact of adjustments before they are implemented. Advanced Reporting in Planisware PPM, Customizing Reports. In Planisware PPM, Advanced Reporting and Customizing Reports is a key feature that helps in making better project and portfolio management decisions. Customizing reports allows users to create tailored views specific to their needs, whether it's for resource allocation, project timelines, budget tracking, or performance metrics. Here are steps and considerations for customizing reports. 1. Accessing the reporting module. Navigate to the Reports or Reporting module in Planisware. You may need specific permissions to access advanced reporting features, so ensure that your user role allows this. 2. Using built-in reporting templates. Templates. Planisware comes with built-in reporting templates, which can be used as starting points for custom reports. Choose a template that closely matches the report you want to generate. You can modify these templates to fit your specific needs. 3. Creating a custom report. Custom Report Wizard. This feature helps you step through creating reports from scratch. You'll choose the data sets, layout, and fields you need. Selecting data sources, choose the relevant data from Planisware. This can include project information, resource data, financials, risks, etc. Filtering data, use advanced filters to refine your data. You can set conditions like time periods, project types, or cost categories. Grouping and sorting, organize your data in a meaningful way using grouping and sorting options. 4. Choosing report format. Planisware supports various output formats for reports. Excel, for easy manipulation and further analysis. PDF, for sharing and printing. HTML, for web-based reports. Choose the format that fits your needs. 5. Visualizing data. You can include charts and graphs in your reports to visualize data trends, project statuses, and KPIs. Planisware provides integration with visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau for more advanced visualization capabilities. Customize the layout of your reports to make charts and data points more accessible and comprehensible. 6. Dynamic report generation. Reports in Planisware can be made dynamic by allowing the user to select parameters at runtime, such as the time period or projects to include. This reduces the need for creating multiple reports for different situations. 7. Report scheduling and automation. Scheduling. Set reports to run at specific intervals, daily, weekly, monthly, to keep stakeholders updated with the latest data. Automation. Automate the distribution of reports to key stakeholders by email, reducing manual intervention. 8. Advanced customization. SQL queries. If you're familiar with SQL, you can write custom SQL queries to pull data directly from the Planisware database, providing even more flexibility. Advanced formatting. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to align with corporate branding or project-specific needs. Why choose ProExcellency for Planisware PPM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Planisware PPM, Project Portfolio Management, online training can offer several advantages, including expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs highly experienced trainers with deep knowledge of Planisware PPM, ensuring that students gain insights from real-world expertise. Tailored curriculum. The training is typically customized to address the specific needs and goals of participants. This ensures a more relevant learning experience, particularly for different industries and job roles. Hands-on learning. The platform may focus on practical exercises, real-life scenarios, and interactive sessions that help students apply what they've learned to their daily work. Flexible learning options. Online training offers flexibility in terms of timing, allowing professionals to learn at their own pace, fitting training around their schedules. Comprehensive coverage. ProExcellency often provides a detailed curriculum covering both basic and advanced concepts in Planisware PPM, including project planning, resource management, portfolio analysis, and more. Certification. Many online training programs offer certifications upon completion, which can help participants demonstrate their knowledge of Planisware PPM to employers. Customer support. ProExcellency typically offers strong customer support, helping students with any questions or technical issues that may arise during the training process. Cost-effective. Given the flexibility of online learning, ProExcellency's training programs are often more cost-effective than in-person classes, especially with options for group discounts. Global reach. As an online training provider, ProExcellency is accessible to learners globally, breaking down geographical barriers. Thank you.